Any guesses? Kavya wins the Best Speakers Award for the Opera. Ruling party, the best speaker goes to, any guesses? Ikshit. The best communication, putting forward his views very clearly, he wins the best speaker from the side of the ruling party. Trophy, or the best trophy of the day, any guesses? The ruling, how many of you say ruling?
Opposition party.
Team trophy was backed by the opposition party. The remarkable performance by all the actors on the stage consolation prize goes to Arshita. Again from the ruling party goes to Rudraj. Give them a huge round of applause. To make a new mention here, which is the speaker for maintaining the decorum of the house. I would like to ask our principal ma'am to come on the stage and say a few words of appreciation for us.
तो स्पीकर महोदय कहाँ बैठे हैं? परमिशन है बोलने की? First of all, I think very nice presentation. सबसे पहले तो इन सब के लिए जो नेता नेत्री बैठे हैं उनके लिए बहुत जोरदार तालियां। Dear children and my dear teachers, today we have witnessed the working of Lok Sabha. Maybe you all might have studied till your class 10, studying in class 11th and 12th also, but sometimes we are not aware what is happening, how it is happening. I think we have seen this today. It was really a very nice and great experience, and all the speakers, they spoke very well. सबने बहुत अच्छा बोला. Why some were chosen beyond the others? Because you know that when you speak, I think your speech has to be clear, your question has to be clear, and if answer has to be given, that also has to be concise, and clarity should be there that what answer you are giving to the question. That's why. And not only this, but dear children, those who are sitting here and upstairs, I think your patience, you are a very patient audience. You watched it so carefully, and a clap आपके लिए भी बनता है. And especially that the social science teachers, we are here. I just want to call you here, Mr. Sunil, Mamta ma'am, just come forward. Anupama ma'am, Sunil sir, Vasli and Krista. I think they have prepared the children very well, and that's why we can see today. हम आज़ादी की बात करते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंस की बात करते हैं. कल भी आपसे बात की थी मैंने. I think you must be remembering that बहुत सी आज़ादी हमारे पास है, बट आपको एक चीज़ से आज़ाद सबको होना है. What is that? कल भी बताया था किसी ने. Mobile phones and social media. So, on this Independence Day, I think all of you must give a thought to this, that what we are losing by all this social media and the use of mobile phones. You can do certain things. Why I'm telling you? Because you are the future of our country. Is there anyone sitting over here who can tell me that how can you keep your mobiles away from you? कोई एक बताओ आप. ओके, वेरी नाइस. इज सेइंग फोन पेरेंट्स को दे दो. मानते हैं सभी इस बात को? ओके. One thing I would like to tell you that in on mobile phones, chatting with your friends, you just organize a trip. और ट्रिप ऐसी जगह होना चाहिए जहाँ पे नो सिग्नल है. यस, जहाँ पे सिग्नल ही ना हो और आप मोबाइल फोन यूज ही ना कर सकते. क्या करेंगे? कहाँ नहीं जाने देते हैं? ट्रिप हम करवाएंगे ना ऑर्गेनाइज. चलो हो चुका है आपके लिए. इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन डन. So beta, on this very 77 glorious years of independence, I just want to tell all of you that we all wish for your success. Our blessings are always with you. जीवन में यहाँ किसी ने बोला था कि शायरी ही करते रहते हैं, काम नहीं करते, पर मैं भी करूँगी. मुझे इंस्पिरेशन आ गई. काम भी करते हैं हम. We all are with you and our blessings are with you. Your dream should come true. सपने तभी सच होंगे अगर आप उनको देखोगे. सपने देखेंगे नहीं तो कहाँ से सच होंगे. और सबकी लाइफ में कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं. वी फेस मैनी प्रॉब्लम्स एनी टाइम. समटाइम्स इट इज़ ऑलवेज देयर. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, जब परेशानियाँ आती हैं तो उसका भी एक कारण होता है. कारण ये है कि वो इशारा करते हैं कि अपने जीवन में बदलाव लाओ. इसलिए प्रॉब्लम एंड वी ऑल want your success. Today we have seen the young politicians. I would like to ask you, is there anybody sitting in the hall who wants to take up the career in the politics? And what will you do? There were so many questions were there. Any topic, anything which you would like that it should be eradicated. किसको करियर बनाना है? Yes? Okay, fine. Whatever your career would be, beta, we just want to tell you that wherever you choose your career, you have to excel in that. जो भी career choose करोगे, you have to work for your country, for the well-being of the humanity, for the human beings. और success के लिए, I think we should not worry for this. लोग, आपको उस चीज़ से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. आपको फ़र्क पड़ना चाहिए आप अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. Yes or no? दूसरे आपको बोलेंगे, you will meet so many people in your life. You have to go a long way. You will go to professional colleges. You will meet so many kind of persons. And every time if somebody tell you something, you have to face that. Face those persons, those problems with courage. If you remain sensitive, you just start crying even for a small little petty thing, I think the life will not be enjoyable for you. Students of Dhyanand Public School, we want to see you maturing and becoming a good citizen of the country. So that you have shown us that yes, you have a lots of potential and talent in you. That we have seen, and once again, a round of applause for the participants, everyone. And secondly, I would like to appreciate the song, the welcome, the song, patriotic song. It was presented by class 11 and 12th. So we enjoyed a lot. A big round of applause for the participants. Keep performing your duties and also be aware with your rights also. So our blessings are always with you. You should grow, you should be happy, you should be healthy, and we should be proud of all our students of Dayanand Public School. Thank you so much, dear teachers and dear participants and everyone sitting in the hall. We are so proud of you. Thank you so much once again. Thank you, and wish you a very, very happy Independence Day, which is going to happen tomorrow for us. Okay? So it is 15 August 1947 we got it, and this is now 77 years, glorious years of our independence. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.
Freedom was not achieved in a day. Freedom was not a single man's feat. Similarly, our today's program, Jashn-e-Azadi, has the contribution of multiple students and their teachers with their numerous, tireless work hours under the able guidance of our Honorable Principal Ma'am. I hope you all enjoyed our effort towards celebrating the 77th Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह यह तिरंगा, हम लहराएंगे हर जगह यह तिरंगा। नशा यह हिंदुस्तान का है, हिंदुस्तान का है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।